morning everyone and welcome to another info session provided by Cernal Chemicals, or as you know it by now, Speak a Biggie Soaps. As always, it's myself, Stefan here, with Mr. Daniel on my right, or as you know him by now, Ogrota. Good morning, Ogrota, how are you?
Lekker self, Stefan.
No, can't complain, can't complain.
That's right.
So today we're doing Greasolve.
Yes.
So give us a bit more information about the Greasolve product, what it is, how do you use it, all the ins and the outs of the Greasolve.
So Stefan, the Greasolve is a heavy duty degreaser. It is perfect to use in your kitchen area, such as your stoves, or the grease where you do your frying and all that, where you spill grease and so on the floor or on the stainless steel table, or yeah, so anywhere there's grease deposits, that is where you use Greasolve. Easy product to use. Again, you just can put it in a spray gun, spray it onto the surface that you want to clean or degrease, and all you do is wipe it off. As simple as that.
But must you leave it for a few minutes after
applying?
applying?
I would say for the most effective way for it to work, leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes on the surface, especially it's a very greasy surface. And then, like I said, all you do is then wipe it off.
And it's safe on all surfaces, all your stainless steel surfaces, plastic surfaces,
except your skin surface.
Okay, that makes sense. It is a corrosive product, so that makes sense. So Daniel, the quantities it's available in?
Availables in 5 to 25 liters. We do it in bulk. We do bulk in 200 liters and 1,000 liters.
Okay, okay. So Daniel, would you say that using the Greasolve is safe for inside oven use as well? So say inside an oven, inside an air fryer?
It is safe for oven use. It does not leave a smell or residue behind in your air fryer or oven. So yeah.
Okay. When it comes to
obviously just rinse it off properly.
Yeah, afterwards.
Yes.
Afterwards. And otherwise you're gonna eat a leg of lamb tasting like a Greasolve. That won't be nice. So Daniel, safety precautions when using the product. What would you recommend?
I would suggest use gloves, as it is a corrosive product.
Okay.
Obviously do not get into your eyes and so. It will affect your vision a bit.
Okay.
And that's it. And if you don't swallow it as well.
Yeah, which makes sense. Once again, when it comes to the spray bottles, the hard brooms, soft brooms, the glove as well, even the goggles, we don't just give you the product and say, there you go. We supply all the equipment that goes along with it. Anything from a lappy to a broom. That's basically that. And then again, that's Greasolve. We are going to a quick demonstration video at the end, where myself actually used it in a basin. What's the English for a zinc? In a zinc, and it works magic. It's not only industrial product. I would also recommend always having it in your household as well for anything grease, all the way from
even for another thing. So yeah, for your braai grits, Stefan.
Yes. So braai grits, the small braais, all of this stuff, anywhere that there's grease, industrial and household, I would recommend Greasolve. It's not an excuse problem, it's a solution product. Thank you very much. That's Greasolve. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call either myself or Daniel. All the info will be provided at the end of the video, as well as the safety data sheets. Thank you very much. See you next time.
Cernal Chemicals, kitchen laundry house. Cernal Chemicals, chemicals you can trust.